Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's the end of another remarkable week at Lee Forest, and slightly different today as you look around and I look at you now during this assembly, seeing everybody dressed in red, ready to celebrate Red Nose Day together today. Remember, for Red Nose Day, over the years, it's always been about having a little bit of fun and putting a smile on people's faces. So there's a challenge for you today. Whatever you do, make sure you do it with a smile on your face and try and put a smile on somebody else's face too. Well, it's been another remarkable week, and I have to say it's like we've never been away. We've been back in school now together for 2 weeks, and it has been absolutely fantastic to see the way in which you've all come back and settled back into your work. Particularly this week, going around school and having a look on Twitter, I've seen some really remarkable work from yourselves. Lots of work of children getting back into their maths and English. And the one thing that's really impressed me is the focus that you've had in class, how well you've been able to talk about your learning, and the pride in which you all still take in your presentation. Also this week, we've restarted our after school clubs in PE, so it's nice to see lots of children taking part in those. I do have one little challenge for you though for PE moving forward into next week, and that's to do with your PE uniform. Okay, so let's make sure that next week we've all got our PE kits ready for PE and we're looking as smart as we do for the rest of the day at school in our PE lesson. So make sure whatever house you're in, you've got the right colour t-shirt for your lessons, your shorts and your trainers. Okay, and the last thing, I'm sure lots of you have been looking over my shoulder here during this brief introduction. Attendance at school since we've been back has been absolutely fantastic, and I'm sure some of it has to do with that extravaganza competition that we've got running. Remember, to be in with a chance of winning a prize of one of our Easter eggs, you need to make sure that you are in school every single day from now until the end of the term, and your name will go into the hat, and then you could be in with a chance of winning one of our fantastic Easter eggs. All that's left for me to do is to say have a fantastic weekend, and I'm now going to pass you over to your teachers to hear about all of the remarkable things that you've been doing this week.
This week in nursery, we have chosen Tobias as our child of the week. Tobias is new to nursery and you are settling in so well. You're coming in each morning, you're finding your peg, taking off your coat and being independent. It's lovely to have you in nursery and I can't wait to see all the progress you're going to make. Well done, Tobias.
My child of the week is Bilal. Now, when Bilal first started school, he really wasn't very keen on painting and he'd sometimes say that he didn't want to do it. Since he's returned, Bilal has done some fantastic artwork. He made this beautiful mini beast, the spider, and he really enjoyed doing the painting, so well done, Bilal.
This week, I have chosen Murtaza as my child of the week. Murtaza, you've been working really hard to master writing your name and you've finally got there. Well done, I'm really proud of you.
My child of the week this week is Aeon. Aeon, you tried really hard at home during lockdown and you've come back, you know all of your sounds and all of your numbers. I am so proud of you. Well done, Aeon, keep it up.
I am really pleased with my child of the week this week. My child of the week has been pushing his limits and being unusually brave in everything that they have done. He has exceeded all my expectations with his writing. He has now gone into the year 1 writing books. So your handwriting is just amazing. You were playing outside with lots of the other children and you came to me yesterday and said, Miss McGee, I've had such a great day at school, and that's just lovely to hear. So I'm so pleased to say that my child of the week is Spencer. Spencer, keep up this amazing attitude to your learning. Well done.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Liana, and I've chosen you, Liana, because you've been pushing your limits in all of your learning, but I'm especially proud of how hard you've been trying with your writing. So well done, keep up the good work.
My child of the week this week is Carter. Carter, I have chosen you as my child of the week because since you have come back to school, you have been following all instructions and completing every single piece of work that I have given you. Miss Boylan and I are really proud of you. Keep up the fantastic work.
My star of the week is Mia. Mia, your artwork in our topic lessons has been beautifully presented. You have been putting so much effort and so much detail into your work.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Caleb. Caleb, you've really impressed me this week by improving your knowledge of your times tables. You've come back to school with the right positive attitude, you've pushed your limits and found you're remarkable. Well done Caleb, keep it up.
Hi everyone. For my child of the week this week, I have chosen somebody who's worked incredibly hard in their maths lessons this week. This week we've been looking at multiplication and we've learned how incredibly important it is to know our times tables. This person has worked incredibly independently with their work and shown high aspirations and real resilience with their work. They were able to use their apparatus in our classrooms to help them work out their answers independently to our questions. So a big well done, Adam. Keep up the amazing work. You are fantastic.
This week, I have decided to pick Mia as my remarkable child of the week. Mia, you have been an absolute superstar in class this week. You are such a big-hearted, kind and friendly girl who is extremely generous and forgiving to all your friends in class. You have been pushing your limits and trying your absolute best in class. You have been focused and I am extremely impressed. Please keep up the good work, Mia.
Hello, my child of the week this week is Razzie. I have chosen Razzie because Razzie is so big-hearted and he always thinks of the other children in the class. Not only do I see him being big-hearted in the class, but also at playtime and lunch times as well. Every day when he comes in, he has a beaming smile across his face, which is infectious. Beyond this, his work in literacy in English this week has been remarkable. He has shared all of his ideas with his peers and he's really thought about the responses and his handwriting in his English book as well. Well done, Razzie. You really deserve to be the child of the week this week.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week goes to Zanera. Zanera is an absolute delight to have in the class and she's a brilliant role model to all the other children. So it's a well-deserved child of the week for her. Well done, Zanera.
My child of the week this week is Sky and I've chosen Sky for going above and beyond. This week in Year 5 we've been writing biographies about famous astronauts for our curriculum work. And Sky said to me, "Miss, can I do too? I'm a really fast writer." And she is a fast writer, but most importantly, she's a very good writer. She had everything that she needed in her plan, everything from the checklist. And when she'd done that, she even went round and helped other children with their work. So, excellent work, Sky. I can't wait to read your biographies. Well done.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Darcy Atkins. She's done really well since she's come back from lockdown. Her behaviour's massively improved. She's joining in with everything that's going on in the class, working really hard and doing it with a smile on her face. Great work, Darcy, keep it up.
Hey everybody, my child of the week this week has been selected because they've really shone in class this week. Again, putting their hand up, really supporting their table through group work. We've had lots of discussion this week and they've been really key in that. And also they've just come back to school with the exact head-on that they need to have. And so have been noticed by both adults in the classroom. So well done, Danielle. It is you. You are the child of the week this week. Thank you for being so considerate to the people in class, for being so active in your learning and during the lessons, and for really working hard on presenting your work beautifully within your books. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Millie, and I've chosen Millie because I've just loved to see her in school every day since we came back after lockdown, and she's really working so hard. And I have to say, Millie, I really enjoyed reading your extending task in your English this week, where you talked about your love of reading, and it just made me so proud. So well done, and keep up the good work.
Fabian in 2SJ, you are the star of the week in the EAL Hub because over the last 2 weeks you've been really pushing your limits and been extremely big-hearted, helping your friends when they've been struggling a little bit. Well done, Fabian. Keep up the hard work.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, it's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again.
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah, it's been too long since we got crazy. I'm lucky spinning out. I'm counting down till Friday come. I'm gonna do too much. No, I'm all in my bag, that's clutch. Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on a wave, yeah. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. 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 This can't be bad for me, 'cause I want more. Wanna feel the bass vibrating through the floor. So keep it playing. I'm on a wave, and I'ma ride it all the way. When it comes like we want that weekend. We want that weekend. We want that weekend. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday then. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown a mind.